It is another beautiful day here in the Monogram studio.
In the ice, head to toe in tie dye.
We are back. Today is the beginning of a new week, and I'm ready to create all the beautiful monogram designs. For this week, I have loads of work, loads of designs to create this week. Most especially Agbada. I have many Agbada to create this week, and Agbada takes longer hours. So, as you can see, I'm starting now. I don't know why, I just feel so happy this morning. I'm happy, 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 happy. Especially when I know that someone who lost her 5 million followers on this blue app has finally got back her page. I'm happy, and that's Angie Nation. I'm so happy for her. And there's this another thing I experienced on this app, this Facebook app. Yesterday I posted my the picture of me and my son, and one random person, oh, let me ti ṣubú dúró báyìí jàre, sorry. So I posted the picture of me and my son, and someone shared it on his uh, wall, on his feed. I didn't know the person. The person is not my family member, is not my friend. The person has never shared any of my uh posts before. So why is it my picture and my son's picture you are posting? I keep wondering, like, what's what's the reason? What's his reason? What could be his reason? Some people too do on this app. Some people too do. As in, when I got the notification that so person shared my post, and I check, and it was my picture post. Ah, like, what is it? Kilo shele. You don't know me, I don't know you. You are not my family member. You are not even my friend. You are just a follower here on Facebook. Ah, it is well. Oh, I hope this is still working. Photology. I will just be talking to myself. So that's action want to spoil my mood yesterday, but the devil is a liar. I know you waiting devil dog. Aya, aya, he say, he say, gini, yeah, come on, yeah, come on, yeah, come on. Apart from that, I'm happy today, and this week I have lots of beautiful designs to create in the Monogram studio. So I hope you are eager to see all the beautiful designs I will be making from this studio for this beautiful week, because the week started in a beautiful way already. So let's continue to make it more beautiful. You get it? You get it? You get it? You get it? I'm setting the machine for the design I'm doing right now, and after this I'm going to start the agbada design I will be doing next. This is well. Here are my piece. So this is how I start. This is how I prepare the machine before I start running. I have to first pin the the stay. This is art stay. I have to first pin it on the machine before I start the design I will be doing. So this is well pinned. The frame is ready now for the design. And design I'm starting with is a body design. The design is going to be on this body you are seeing here. So this is the body. The whole design will be right here. Let me show you the design on the system so you see what I'm saying. I may even tag it on this video. So let me show you. So this is the design I'm doing. This is a body design. The next thing now is to um place the fabric, import the design from the system. I have to export the design to the flash drive and then transfer it to the machine. I no hear wetin devil talk. Aya, aya, you say isigini. Yeah, come on. Let me take the camera here so you see what I'm doing. Aya, aya, you say isigini. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Oh, oh, yeah, come on. Oh, oh, yeah, come on. Oh, oh, yeah, come on. So let me export from the system. So let me bring the camera down so you see clearly. I'm trying to export the design. Oh, I already have it on the system and I already have it on the flash drive. I didn't remember I saved it because I created this design last week. I didn't know I already saved it on the flash drive. So let me remove the flash drive and then put it on the machine. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Aya, aya, ise gini. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. I know you're waiting there to talk. Aya, aya. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Mi ò gbọ́ pá, mi ò gbọ́ pò. I no hear wetin devil talk. Aya, aya, ise gini. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Okay. I've seen the design and then have to export it. Then I can now start. Design is one color. Design has one color, and the color I'm using is ash color, light ash. Let me bring the camera closer so you see what I'm doing. So I think this is okay. And see clearly. So I've set the design. The next thing is to set it on the machine. So the design, I need to change the direction of the design. So this is the best direction. It's on landscape before, so I have to put it on okay, it's on portrait before, so I have to put it on landscape. Right now it's on landscape. These are things we do in the Monogram studio. I'm trying to get the center of the body, so I will use it to get the size I want. I think this is fair. Let me take it round and check if this is okay. I think this is the size I did is wider than the size of this body. This I need to reduce this design. I need to reduce it. This is too wide. This is too wide, so I need to reduce it. I have to go back to the system and reduce the size and import it. All right, so I have to reduce this. The size of this design is too wide. What's it so big? I want to reduce this size. Then I will now transfer it to the machine and then start designing. I already laid the fabric on the machine. Just the reducing of the size is what I'll be doing now. I have 18 years, so I'm reducing it to 14. Let's see, this measurement is okay. Okay. This is how it will be on the outfit. Is it? I hope this is clear. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. If you are not seeing it, emo binu. Mhm. Let me save it first. And that I will save it. Then now export it to the flash drive. Okay, so that's what I've transferred it now to the flash drive. The next thing is to put it to the machine. No here waiting devil talk. Aya say so. Let's go back to the machine. Ah, yeah, I should go. Ṣẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́ni Monday ẹ̀yin ẹlẹgbẹ́ wa ẹ jẹ́ ká múra. So I'll delete the one I import on. So I will delete the one I already have on the machine, then now save the one I just adjusted now. Òyìnbó ò ní kọ́ wa lẹ́nu. Ẹ̀yin ẹlẹgbẹ́ wa ká gbàdúrà sí bàbá wa tó pa wá mọ́ lónìí. Iṣẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́ni Monday ẹ̀yin ẹlẹgbẹ́ wa ẹ jẹ́ ká múra ká gbàdúrà sí bàbá wa tó pa wá mọ́ lónìí. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay. Okay, I need to change the position. So I think this is good, 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 good. Let me check. I'm checking the space the design will be on. I think this is too high. I need to bring it down. The design didn't get to the neck. It started from the chest area, so I need to bring this up. Either I bring this up or I bring down the frame. That would be two. I'm bringing the body up. That's what I'm doing. This is not straight. The line has to be center line has to be straight. So let me check again. I think this is okay. But why is that place? Why is it coming closer to this place? So I think this is fine. I'm okay with the area the design we run on. So that's okay. The next thing is to start designing. So the next button is start. Designing has started. I hope I have been able to convince you and not discourage you that you also can be a monogram designer. Let's see. So I will show you as the design progress. I will show you the process as it continues to run. Thank you for watching. Look at the design. The design is already looking beautiful. Despite that it's still running, it has not finished. Look at it. This design takes 2 hours to be done. 2 hours. So I want to replace the down thread. This design is so beautiful, so beautiful. I will still give you a clear view of it. So, and the thread color I use makes it even looks more beautiful. I like it. I like this design. You know how you feel when a design is giving you what you are doing is giving you what you expected, your expected results. That's how I feel right now. Let me show you the design, how it looks, so you see clearly. Take a look at this. Is this not beautiful? Look at it. Just look at it. We are just starting and it's already looking beautiful, and we still have like 1 hour more, 1 hour 22 minutes to be done. So hope you like it. Final outcome is looking fine. It's almost finished. Look at the final outcome. Is this not beautiful? It is looking so beautiful. Look at it. So this is the final look of the design. This is a body design. You can see the body and you can see the design. This is the design. This design took 2 hours before it's done. You can see how beautiful. Look at the stitch. Very neat. You can see how neat all the stitches are. That's it. This is beautiful. It can only be beautiful right here. We make beautiful designs. Look at it. Just take a look.